Hi, welcome to the Python Primer course. In this section, we are going to see why to learn Python. Python is one of the most popular programming languages. It is simple and easy to learn. It is closely resembling to the English language. Python has a large community. So if you are stuck somewhere or if you need some help, getting it is really easy. Python is a beginner friendly language. It can be used pretty much everywhere. So whether you are building an automation solution or writing some data science project, working on some machine learning, or building an AI application, or if you're building some normal desktop application or a website like Instagram or Dropbox, Python is used. The big players are using it like Amazon, Apple, Google, Facebook, Netflix. Everyone is using it. So Python pays well. So if you are looking for a job, Python is for you. In the next section, we will learn what is a programming language and what is Python in detail.